So once it's like that and you have your summer sausage in as far as it's gonna go, fold the legs up, take a knife, chop the extra sausage. Okay, push that back. I'm gonna take our little Cornish hen and put it straight into a pot. Make sure you tuck the legs on the sides. In some hot peanut oil. All right, here we go. Right onto the chicken skin. Oh, that's exactly what you want. You see how the chicken skin is already starting to fry? I'm gonna go ahead and turn on our induction cooker while I ladle in some more oil. Oh, look at that crispy chicken skin. Wow, that's exactly what you want to hear. Perfect. Hear that sizzle, guys? That's exactly what you want. This is going to be absolutely delicious. I'm using peanut oil, which is what they use at Chick-fil-A to make the chicken so good. So we have the chicken completely covered with oil. Now I'm gonna cover this with the lid, but we wanna leave it cracked like that. You just wanna go until the chicken is floating in the oil. All right, I'm so excited to take this out. It smells and looks amazing. Okay, one second, let me get this one. There we go.
Wow.
Wow, that came out great.
That looks amazing.
I cannot wait to cut into this bad boy. Okay, you guys hear that, Chris?
Wow, that skin looks so crispy.
The legs are my favorite part. Okay, let's cut into this.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh,
wow. And the sausage is perfectly cooked. Your chicken is white and thoroughly cooked. You don't want any pink in your chicken.
wow.
And this is exactly how it should look.
Yeah, it's cooked perfectly.
So you just let it rest until it stops steaming and then you can serve it. You
Okay.
would flip it over, so the way you want to serve it is like this.
Really? Okay, like that?
Half the hen, half the sausage on the plate.
Wow, this looks so good.
So it'll be like that. This is what you end up with.
Oh, it almost looks like a little duck.
Doesn't that look great?
That's so cool.
So yeah, you would want to serve it just like this. Half the chicken and half the sausage. And then let's see what the leg looks like.
Oh, wow.
Ready, guys? Wow.
Is that good?
Oh yeah. Really crispy, really delicious.
Woo!